What up, YouTube? We're back again, and today, you might notice our small ball lineup. We are missing an elite. I sold him, so yeah. But I got this, and let's see if we get a new player. Guys, cross your fingers, smash the like button, and we will get a new player, and it'll be good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! 89 overall, Kyrie Irving. Let's go, guys! Y'all definitely had to smash that like button, because 89 overall, Kyrie Irving. I mean, my dude Mo, he's coming off, but I can auction him off for 30-some thousand and give me a new dude. That Kyrie Irving, though. Let's go! Just got that Kyrie Irving. No, he can get that auction. No, he can't. Let's go. Got that Kyrie Irving up in there. Let's go. 89 overall Kyrie Irving. That's lit. Got that. So, I think we could do a little gameplay with that hit. So, this could be like a mini gameplay joint.
Where?
3 assists. 3 assists to Kyrie. There's 1 assist. This is light work. It's new Kyrie Irving. Just let him score. Let him do his thing. Hurry up and score. No one's even guarding you. Come on. Okay, we're gonna get the assist to this. To the man, Kyrie. Kyrie with the assist. Let's go. I don't know who gave him the assist, but I just know Kyrie finished it off. Let's go. We got that Kyrie Irving up in here doing work. If y'all can see the smile on my face right now. 89 overall Kyrie Irving. Let's go. Man. Okay, where that Kyrie at? I see you, Irving. No, let him score, let him score, let him score. Shoot it. Hate you. Hate you for, I hate that team for that. Wasn't talking to you, but I mean, that's a little. Next video we'll show you some gameplay of that Kyrie. So peace, guys. See you in the next video. We're gonna get some Kyrie gameplay.